Hi guys, how you all doing today? Today I will be making carrot juice with Guinness, Supligen. I have the peanut and the regular. I have my condensed milk. I have tootin. I have my nutmeg. I have cinnamon, and I have my vanilla, and I have the Jamaican white rum. I will be putting a quarter cup into it. So guys, here I have the carrot here. So these are clean already. I use this to peel it like this. This is how I do it. I'm just showing you guys. Then you can also peel the bottom part too. And then I go to the next one. I'm just showing you guys how I did it. So guys, I'm going to boil these one that I have here. I'm just gonna boil them to let them cook. That's to get them real tender, as they can blend easily. So guys, I'll be here. So guys, I am back with the blending. So I have two separate that I blend. So I use a total about 4 pounds of carrot. And this is the second one in the blender. So yes guys, so this is how you strain it. It's very important to strain it, guys. So you're gonna have all these trash if you don't strain it. Yes guys, this is a very nice Jamaican carrot juice mixed with Guinness, Supligen, vanilla, your milk, and I put a little rum. That is optional, you don't have to put it, but I like it when it's in it. And my nutmeg and a little bit of cinnamon powder, just a little bit guys, because cinnamon is very strong, so you can just put a little bit. So I have about a quarter teaspoon, because I am mixing 4 pounds of carrot, so I have a lot of carrot along with the 2 Guinness. So yes guys, I am pouring my Guinness. Supligen, and this is the peanut Supligen. And about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut this milk. Hi guys, I am back with the mixing. This is how it looks. All the nutmeg is on the top. Smell really good guys. So I use 1.5 tin of milk. 1.5 tin guys. Yes guys. This is the real Jamaican carrot with Guinness. Guinness, 2 Guinness, 2 Supligens. I have a peanut and the regular vanilla. And the vanilla essence, nutmeg, cinnamon, and a little splash of rum. So yes guys. Hi guys, I am back with my carrot juice, with my Guinness and my Supligen, my Jamaican rum, nutmeg, cinnamon, and my vanilla. So here is it guys. So this is what I'm gonna have with my carrot juice right here. My salmon and rice and peas and vegetable. Just look at it guys. And my lemon. Yes, this is what's going on. So this is from my kitchen to your kitchen. So guys, we don't have to go to the restaurant. You can check this out guys. Yes, look at it. Look at all those details. So yes guys, so you just drop a comment, like and share, and subscribe. Okay guys, so you all take care and have a wonderful evening.